Going forward, we're going to apply the formulas of sequence. Mostly they are used for referencing. For example, when you do any type of transactions, you have a reference number. So for example, for invoices, for journal entries, you have a reference number, right? So what does sequence represent? Instead of doing things like this, 1, 2, 3, as we did before, which is going to take a lot of time, or instead of, I used the delete function, or instead of using 1, 2, and then dragging those all the way down, but if I delete a certain row, but here I no longer have number 15 because I have deleted this row. And again, if I need to add a row to insert a new set of data, again, I'm going to have an empty cell. So 13, I have empty, then 14, then 16. So it's messed up. So again, since it's called sequence, so we're just going to use sequence. And here we have 18 rows. So I can use the number 18 and close it, and there you have it. So if I delete a set of data here, delete, shift cells up, it will automatically recalculate things. Okay, so I still have 18, 10, 11, and so on. Now, definitely you want to keep those formulas working, so that's an easy fix. That's why I'm not worried about those. Now, the problem with sequence, if I add a certain country, let's say, actually UK, I don't think I have like UK, just UK, not Ukraine. So it's not going to be automatically added. Either I need to go here and change this to 19 so that it can be added. Now, is there a fix for it to be fully dynamic? Definitely there is. Okay, and instead of using the number of rows, unless you are sure that the number of rows won't change, we can use the count a function. Again, this count a function has been covered in the first course. So count a, I just select all the data that might even be added in the future, so I can go all the way from here and go back, and I press enter. Oh, yes, okay, my bad. I forgot the closing the parentheses. So it's now dynamically added. So if I add here UK, it's gonna be automatically numbered. If I add here, we have France, we have Germany, I don't know, Italy. I don't think we have Italy. It's 20, and so on. So that's the beauty of it. So that it will number things sequentially uh, in a dynamic manner. If you cancel everything or you delete something, it will be automatically readjusted. If you add or delete, you're not going to have the problem of referencing, which is the error, or you're not going to have this number that is skipped. So, for example, from 13 to 15, and you skipped 14, and so on. So that's sequence.